There are over 135 million eBay active users worldwide. If you want to reach that vast pool of buyers, you might want to consider selling on eBay. But how do you sell on eBay? Here's how you can get started. You first want to have an eBay account and also a seller account. But how do you sign up for one? Once you've got your eBay account set up, you can go to My eBay at the top and go to Selling. Alright, select it and click on List an item. And if you continue to follow the prompts, you will have your seller account set up successfully. Once you've done it, in order to get started with selling in eBay, you need to navigate to Sellers Hub Listings. By following this link, press enter, and in here you can start telling what you're selling. For example, if I want to sell the charger, and you can browse through the options. If you don't find anyone that matches your charger, you can do search. There you can scroll to find the charger that matches yours. Alright, if you find one, you can just select them. Let's say mine is this one. Alright, select it, and condition of the item, new, continue to listing. Now we can upload photos and video. Upload photos, please open, upload video, this one open. Now item title, this is auto field, you can change if you want. Item category, you can also change by clicking on this edit. Item specifics, brand, all of them are auto filled. Now additional are optional. You can fill them out if you have. It's always better if there is more information about your product, and condition and description. Let's see by using AI description. Now pricing, auction or fixed price or buy it now. Let's do buy it now because we are sure that it is worth $120 or $6.45. Quantity, allow offers. We don't want any offers. We are good with fixed price. And shipping, package, you can select a different one if it matches the other options. Now domestic shipping, cost type, add primary service. Let's do economy shipping and say, all right, buyer pays, I guess, $20. Let's just say that. If you want to offer free shipping, you want to check this box. And rate table, if you have any, you can just create new by clicking in here. Local pickup, you can add it by toggling this to on. And preferences, item location, city stay, Kathmandu, and accept returns. If you want to accept returns, you can toggle this to on, else leave it as it is and click on done, right? And promoted listings, so listing ad rate, you can toggle this to on if you want to reach more buyers or to have 25% more click. Preferences for payments, require immediate payment when buyer uses buy it now. Let's just do offline payment too, so let's leave it as it is. And charity, if you want to donate a portion to charity, you can do edit in here. And finally list it. Now pay on your account for completing your listing. This step is actually also included in setting up your seller account. If you have completed these steps before, you will not be asked again. You can just sign in with your pay on your account and follow the prompts. Now you know how to sell on eBay. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.